Hello and welcome to another video for SAT Math. Today's topic is Hello and welcome to another video for SAT Math. Today's topic is factors of polynomials, and let's see the first question. Question number one says, how many number of unique zeros are there in the graph above? Okay, so zeros are where the y value of the graph is 0. Okay, so let's check. That's the first one. That's the second one. That's the third one. Okay, and that's the fourth one. Okay, so there are 4 zeros. I'm going to write 4 zeros. That is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. Consider the graph and find the zeros. Okay, so where do I see the zeros? I see one negative and two positives. Okay, and they're all below 5. So I could say that this should be about -3, -3, and these are two have to be close by. So not greater than 5, so that's A. That should be the correct answer. What are the zeros of the polynomial? So you equate this to 0 and you say that either this equals to 0 or that equals to 0. So you get plus minus 1 from here and 5 from here. So plus minus 1 and 5. Consider the polynomial this. What are the zeros of the polynomial? So I can see x minus 1 equals to 0 and x plus 2 equals to 0, x equals to 1 and x equals to minus 2. Okay. Consider the function this. The graph is shown. What does the question say? Which of the following interval contains a zero of the function f of x? Okay, so I need to find a zero of the function. So how many zeros can I see? I can see 3, I can see -2, I can see 1, and I can see -4. These are all from the function above that you have f of x equals to that. So which of the interval contains the, so this one doesn't contain any zeros. From -4 to -2, contains a 0. I just want to check if a 0 has any significance. From 1 to 2, no. From 3 to infinity, no. I think that should be the correct answer. Has multiple zeros. Okay, next set of easy questions. The zeros of the polynomial are 3, -5 and 8. So 3, -5 and 8. This one should be the correct answer then. What does the question say? It says, how many zeros does the function have? So 1, 2, 3, and 4. We just did a question like that. Okay, it's the number of times the function is on the y equals to 0 or on the x-axis. Okay, what is the polynomial p of x for the zeros? Okay, so I need x equals to 3 and x equals to -5 and x equals to half. So that's going to be 2x equals to 1, 2x minus 1 equals to 0, and x plus 5 equals to 0, and x minus 3 equals to 0. Let's see where we have all of this. The first one, see the coefficient doesn't matter. K can sort of go to the other side and